Hey, what's up people? This is Sheep Show and I am born again. This is arguably going to be one of the most important stories I have ever produced because it involves the fundamental rights of every single person in America. This story is so important that if what I'm about to report to you continues to go unchecked and unremedied, it will shake the very foundations of our free society. This story is not just about a California Superior Court judge summarily dictating who is and is not free press. This story is not just about that same judge summarily dictating what is and what is not newsworthy information. This story is about a California Superior Court judge depriving 331 million Americans of their fundamental First Amendment freedom of speech rights. Do I have your attention? May I have your attention, please? The First Amendment not only protects our right to freely disseminate information, it also protects our right to freely receive information. I'm talking about a California Superior Court judge prohibiting us, under the threat of arrest, from communicating with each other. As many of you know, I have previously reported on the story of Katie Kidman. She was falsely arrested and maliciously prosecuted in a Santa Maria, California kangaroo court. She was represented by, in my humble opinion, an incompetent public defender, Agassi Bagramian, and prosecuted by a corrupt district attorney, Andrew Jang, trying to make a name for himself. The MC in charge of this three-ring circus was the aforementioned dishonorable Judge James F. Regali. One of the many draconian terms of her 12-month probation set by Superior Court Judge James F. Regali is as follows: don't upload videos. Katie Kidman has a YouTube channel with 17.5 thousand subscribers and over 2 million views. She regularly disseminates matters of public interest to her subscribers and international viewers by uploading videos to her YouTube channel. Katie was not convicted, she was not charged, she was not even accused of uploading any material in violation of any law to any source. She was convicted of disrupting school activity. If Katie Kidman was not convicted of any crime related to uploading videos, why did Superior Court Judge James F. Regali impose these clearly unconstitutional conditions? Could it be that Judge Regali has a personal vendetta against Katie? Were you aware of the fact that Judge Regali presided over Katie Kidman's divorce proceedings in 2011, and for the past decade Katie has been publicly criticizing him? Did you know that Judge Regali refused to recuse himself from her criminal trial? Could it be that Judge Regali seeks to prevent Katie Kidman from publicly criticizing him, redressing grievances against him, and commenting publicly on her trial? Could it be that Judge Regali refused to grant Katie Kidman's request to broadcast the public trial on Zoom because he wanted to hide the proceedings from the public and shield himself and the court from public scrutiny? Is it possible that Judge Regali, who received a bachelor's degree from the University of Notre Dame, a Juris Doctorate and MBA from Santa Clara University, became an attorney in 1994 and a judge in 2004, is so inept and so incompetent that he failed to see the white-hot constitutional implications in preventing the free press from uploading videos for news purposes? What's that, Judge Regali? Katie Kidman is not the free press, you say? I disagree with you. You don't get to decide for me who is and who isn't free press, and you don't get to decide for me who I can and who I can't receive newsworthy information from. In doing so, you have not only violated my First Amendment rights, but the First Amendment rights of all 331 million persons in these United States of America. I'm not the only person that believes Katie Kidman is free press. So does the international mainstream news media, the Los Angeles County Sheriff, the United States Secret Service, and the Vice President of the United States, Kamala Harris. Check out these images captured by journalist Katie Kidman of a recent mass shooting in Monterey Park, California that gained worldwide news coverage, and that you, Judge Regali, prevented her from uploading to her social media news channel. I have intentionally replaced the audio with music so that Katie Kidman can share these videos with you on her own channel as soon as Judge Regali's unconstitutional and oppressive probationary terms are overturned by a higher court.
baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me, and we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
I have made the argument that Katie Kidman is free press and her right to upload video to her channel is constitutionally protected. But what if you're still not convinced she is free press? What if Katie Kidman doesn't choose to upload newsworthy video? What if she just wants to share her thoughts and opinions on any given subject? What if she just wants to upload a video communicating to her viewers how her day is going? What if she simply wants to upload a video saying hello? Are not all these activities also constitutionally protected? Do we the people have a constitutional right to communicate with Katie Kidman and her to us? I say unequivocally and resoundingly yes. Judge Regali says no. I believe our founding fathers would agree with me, and the governments of China, Russia, Iran, and North Korea would agree with Judge Regali. You don't get to decide for me who I can and can't socialize with, Judge Regali, and you don't get to decide for me who I can and can't communicate with. I have warned the mainstream media before, and I will warn them again. It isn't just the constitutional rights of independent journalists and our ability to communicate with others that decisions like this from rogue, unaccountable, tyrannical judges like Regali threaten. This threatens you as well, because when they're done with us, they're coming after you. I have warned the general public before that blatant government attempts to silence independent journalism and prevent us from disseminating information to the public should frighten you. I will warn you again. When they are done with us, they are coming after you, and there will be no one left to tell the story. Whatever the reason for this draconian decision by Judge Regali, we cannot let this stand. We must not let this stand. God forbid it. This is a call to action. I am asking every person who supports and values the freedoms we hold dear to us, freedoms that were paid for with the blood, sweat, and tears of our forefathers and compatriots, freedoms protected by free speech and free press, to help get this story out to the masses. I can't do it with my 5,000 subs. I need your help. You have my express permission to repost the entire video or any part of the video as you deem necessary for the purpose of disseminating the content contained within this video. Please mirror the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, on your own channel or my channel. It makes no difference. Subscribers and freedom fighters, please encourage all the 1A YouTube channels that you support to repost this video or create their own video on this story. If Judge Regali can do this to Katie Kidman, I can assure you that other judges will follow suit and start doing this to all of us.
And then 30, Cal eCPA waiver, leave any public place when asked to leave by employee or official. Don't upload videos. So just remember those terms. Like I said, when we meet again on Tuesday, we'll go over in detail a few more things, and then we'll go from there. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to give you my appointment card. It has my name.
You know that on that paper right there that they're violating my First Amendment rights as an American citizen?
Okay. So that's something that you're going to have to address with the court, okay?
Yeah.
All
No,
right.
I'm appealing the case.